Can't remember if that's a rifle I've tried yet or not.
Snipers. Whee! Got him.
You must have been bitten by a radioactive German.
We got a runner. No!
Correction. You've got a runner.
Nice job. Ah! Oh shit.
That guy.
Oh fuck.
That runner went right by me to go after you.
Looks like Team Rocket's blasting off again.
I don't know why this just popped in my head.
Hit me with a wrench.
But I pictured like a more mature, like adult version of those two, where you know, James cracks a joke about getting some, and Jesse's like, "Oh, you're funny," and he's like, "Looks like Team Rocket's jacking off again." I just picture like mine and your character looking at the British guy and being like, "We don't speak English. What does he say?" He's saying the Germans suck. He's
I think that's what he said.
Yeah. You got the Russian guy in the background. Yeah.
That's what he said too. Anything good that way?
Just you.
All right. What could be better than that?
What could be better than fighting through a horde of zombies to come out to that handsome face?
What you can do without your hat now?
Oh no, the source of all your power.
Is he dead? Did we get him? Oh, you kidding me? Come on now.
He's dead.
But yeah, there's an ammo bin back here in that building that we were in.
You can take my hat, but you'll never kill me. It's raining bullets, hallelujah.
Something bad is about to happen.
I'm gonna go back to the machine gun.
Thanks. I'm glad you're a true friend.
I just said I wouldn't let you get hit with a shovel. Oh, what the hell am I getting hurt by?
Guy on the ground.
Ah, guy crawling with the shovel. He's back. He's dead. He's like, I'm not done with you.
Now what'd you do?
Survived the attack at the department store. This really is like Black Friday. Heather, don't you ever feed these guys?
They're all skin and bones.
Are they on that new Fuhrer diet? Fewer calories?
Oh, look, there you are, hard at work again.
Yep. Trying to figure out where the McDonald's should go.
Yeah, that sounds good. You saw that too, right?
I saw the one you kicked down the stairs. And whenever he got by me, I kicked him in midair and his head popped off.
Look, there's a love seat here that we can sit on together.
Ooh.
Got the pillow, one for me, one for
Throw
you.
pillows too.
Yeah. Very no expense. When we get some guests over, we put them on a love seat as well.
Yeah, then we just sit across from each other.
Stare deeply into each other's eyes.
Knowing that one of the couples is probably having an affair with the other.
More than likely.
One of them is looking at the other with hungry eyes, and the other one is looking at the other because they're hungry. Don't touch me.